I'm out here fishing at Alpine Lake here in the Cascades in Oregon. Watch as we hike and explore deep out here in the mountains, and hopefully we can catch some fish. Oh, I saw a fish. Now the real question is, what are they biting on? Right there, right there, right there. Let's go. Beautiful rainbow right there. Just looking off in the distance, like way out here, where the mountains just kind of ripple out. Well, we can do it too. So far, it's a pretty good hike. Look at that. That's so pretty. This one must be deep if it has that like teal blue like that. Welcome back. Took us 3 hours, but we're finally out here. Elizabeth and I are hitting up Alpine Lake out here in Southern Oregon. Just doing some hiking and maybe some fishing and just checking it out. And maybe a catch and cook with some brook trout, we'll see. Yep, there we go. We're on the right path. Yeah, it smells really good up here. Look how lush all this is. The Department of like the Oregon Fish Wildlife comes out here and they stock these lakes on horseback. So they must drive all the way out here with their horse trailer, and then another truck's probably loaded with all these trout fingerlings, and then they come up. Look at that caterpillar.
Where? Oh.
Right here. This guy's creepy. Yeah, I don't think that's a caterpillar. Time to keep going.
Very cute.
So far, we've barely done any hiking. We've done a lot of stopping, but this has been a really cool hike so far. What's that?
I want to look at all the flowers.
Yeah, I want to look at everything too. Oh my gosh. Look at this meadow that we're pulling up on. That is so cool. It's so pretty. Look at a little chipmunk. Chip. Dale's gone. Dale's at the bar and glide. Oh man, that meadow is freaking awesome. Oh, here's the little creek.
No.
Like that. What is that? That looks like a raspberry.
No, these are strawberries. Look. Those.
Some wild strawberries right there. That's cool. Ooh, look at these. You like these flowers?
Mm-hmm.
A little purple. Here's that one that we saw earlier. Look at all these strawberries. This is all strawberries right here. I don't really see any of the berries though. Look at this viewpoint to the right. How high up we are. That's insane. We are definitely way up in the mountains right now. That's beautiful. Just looking off in the distance, like way out here, where the mountains just kind of ripple out.
Mm-hmm.
You don't realize how big the planet is until you see something like this. And this just goes forever. It's just hard to wrap your head around. Well, we can do it too. So far, it's a pretty good hike. So many butterflies. Yeah, look at these dark purple ones. Quarter mile. I can tell we're getting close to the lake because I see some damselflies. Is that a hawk or maybe it's like an osprey? Look at all this. You see how it's like all laid down? I bet some water was like rushing through here not too long ago. Man, look at that. It's so crystal clear. Yeah, that's the rhododendron. Got a wild rhododendron right here. It's a pretty cool plant. Look at just how thick the bark is on this. Like this thing's been here for a minute. Oh, I saw a fish. Now the real question is, what are they biting on? Look at that, there's one swimming right here. These are they're all decent size if we can see them from here. Look at the gradient on that. Those are some huge fish. Like for an alpine lake, if we catch some brook trout, I'm keeping them. I'm gonna cook them. So I think from what I've seen online when I was looking in this place, this is the big lake. And then over here, there's the smaller lake. We're getting pretty close to a spot that we're gonna fish and eat lunch. Thing's crazy. Oh, look at all the little baby brook trout.
Pulled the tree up.
All right, I got the rod all set up. It's time to fish. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That was so fast. Yeah. Oh, he's all tangled up. He's all tangled up. Come on. Little rainbow trout. Well, I might have jinxed myself catching a fish on the first cast. Because I ended up spooking everything away. So I'm going to move to a different spot and see if we can find another school of them. There's a rise right there. Right there, right there, right there. Let's go. Oh my God. What a freaking fish. Beautiful rainbow right there. Man, that took a while. We finally got the second fish. I don't know if we're gonna find any brook trout. I'm kind of questioning the catch and cook right now. Oh, 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 oh. That was unexpected. Simple release. I'm gonna head back to Elizabeth and I think we're gonna eat lunch and maybe finish out this hike. I'm gonna wrap up fishing, maybe for just a little bit. Might get back at it. And we'll catch you in a little bit.
Is that Chase?
Ah, it's muddy. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. This one must be deep. If it has that, like, teal blue like that. These are pretty cool. Might fly on the water. I think I'm gonna have a hard time casting right here. I don't know, those are some dark clouds rolling in. And off we go. Heading home for the day. Was it a good time?
Yep.
Caught some fish. Saw a lot of wildflowers and foliage. A couple deer. That's about it. Yeah. Look at that. That's so pretty. I don't even know if the camera is really getting it. Whoa, your zoom is crazy. Well, I'm pretty sure they
Josie and I went.
and there is the parking lot. That wasn't too bad. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. And I'll see you next time.